Ding dong, go do it. Nina, he never go lightly, got the son of a true. Sina, my shit go high speed, lots of butters and steel. King of the letters, bro, icy hot, just hot as the loo. Niggas forever don't like me, ask some mother for you. One thing you gotta be competitive. Don't be coming like you want to set it. Just give the people some better shit. Have some motherfucking mother etiquette. If you doing people like a river to be on top of the head of it. After I leave, if I'm back in the road to stack out my G's. Second mercy leaves the rapper that needs the supercharger with no back that I do. Bitch, what? They throwing dirt on my name. I might just burst in the flame. They trying to surf on my wave. I ain't gon' turn on the bass. They throwing dirt on my name. I might just burst in the flame. They trying to surf on my wave. I ain't gon' turn on the bass. I've been low key for a minute. I think it's time I come out of the back cave. They said it's time for you to man up in that grave. I'm out of my mind, but it's a sin of a rap craze. I'm on the grind, you know the flow is divine. That's why I be on the rise like a volcano in ash sprays. Easy with last days, I'm whipping your limbs like crab legs. They shouldn't have let me play in this rap race. I'm back, man. Who said I'm falling off? In my cellar, you gon' see a lot of broads. And you know that the pussy is fire. That's why they throw it at me like a Molotov. Motherfuckers finna get funny. She gon' see the whole damn rap game coming. Yeah, this nigga hot done done it. You ain't even see my little black ass coming. Guys, hold up, cause I'm so nuts. When I roll up, you might wanna keep the door locked. A high roller, I rhyme vulgar, cause I'm soda. A bipolar, beast that you're not. Niggas see the things I do, they be like, I don't wanna be like you, like you. She said, yeah, I got a man before the hell line, I will leave my boo. You poor bastards, bow down to your master, your last to finish the race, of course that's the only outcome that could have been, cause I bust like a torn magnus. Yeah, summons the mic like it was Thor's hammer, body slamming these beats to the floor shatters, and I keep rappers as a reward, the corpses that shit from the floor, the sword jammed. Let's go. They throwing dirt on my name, I might just burst in the flame. They trying to surf on my wave, I ain't gon' turn on the bass. They throwing dirt on my name, I might just burst in the flame. They trying to
all up in your ear, rockin' like.
This isn't hell. A world. Every time I stop, hoes like look at me. Every car drop, niggas don't wanna be. Every point in the points, they like dang. Every point in the points, they like dang. Every time I stop, hoes like look at me. Every car drop, niggas don't wanna be. Every point in the points, they like dang. Every point in the points, they like Charlie Hustle, like Ricky Ross. Every day I'm hustling, getting off weight like who? Jennifer Hudson. Pack a hammer, Thor, shooter, score, slide through, bitches think I'm Beckered. Breaking necks, turning heads like the Exorcist. Thumbs up, like the like button. Eating good, no rib touch. Running with the bundle.